Hi, I'm Mitra Cruz, Vice President of the Manufacturing Operations here in El Segundo for Kite, a Gilead company. As the global leader in cell therapy, Kite's mission is to treat and potentially cure cancer using individualized treatments for the patients. So what that means is Kite receives a patient's T cells, re-engineers them to identify and fight cancer, and ships it back to the patient. Kite chose El Segundo back in 2015 as its manufacturing site due to the proximity to Los Angeles Airport. I joined Kite in 2016, so it's been fascinating to see the growth here in El Segundo. We started very small footprint and we've been able to expand throughout the site here. We recently expanded our warehouse operations and other operations within manufacturing to allow us to serve patients globally. The city officials have been fantastic in allowing us to expand into the footprint that we have today and have been fabulous with working with us with our expansions and our permits. Coming back to El Segundo from my earlier days when I was in high school, I think what I had failed to recognize is the number of Fortune 500 companies that are located here in El Segundo. Since Kite is also owned by Gilead, it's fantastic to be able to add to the footprint of the 500 Fortune companies. Kite's a global leader in cell therapy. It's been fantastic to launch our products here commercially at El Segundo. Proximity to LAX has allowed us to serve so many patients, which is one of the reasons everyone at Kite comes to work, including myself. We are here to serve the patients, and we love being here in El Segundo.